Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. I'm Maria Karen Molino, 38 years old, married. My husband is a security guard. We have one son. He's 16 years old. We live at Barangay Caslan, Sanoking, Iloilo. I only finished high school. I didn't go to college because of financial problem.
Okay, and do you have brothers and sisters?
No, sir.
And since you have one son, are you the one who is taking care of him since he was born?
Yes, sir.
And who will take care of your son when you work abroad?
My mother.
And do you have work experience abroad before?
Yes, sir. I have work experience in Singapore 9 years. 9 years. My first employer is 6 persons, 2 adults, 2 elderly, and 2 children. Elderly age is 70 to 75. The baby is 5 and 8 years old. My main duties is taking care of the baby, washing, marketing, ironing, then cooking. My second employer is 3 adults, 1 elderly, then 2 adults. My main duties is taking care of a bedridden grandmother. She's 96 years old. My main duties is cooking, ironing, cleaning, and washing the clothes. My third employer is 2 elderly. They are 70 years old. My main duties is wash car, marketing, washing, then cooking.
Okay, and for how long did you work in your last employment?
I worked for my last employer for 8 months
Okay,
because of
why?
family problem.
Okay, and in your second employer, for how long did you work in your second employer?
More than 2 years, sir.
Okay, and how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest person, sir.
And are you a happy person too?
Yes, sir.
And how would you describe your employers?
They are good to me, sir.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad for my son study and for my mother medication.
Okay, and are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share them with the baby?
Yes, sir.
And are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
And can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share them with the kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
And would you accept no day off but employer will pay you?
Yes, sir.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir. I will focus to my work.
Okay. And would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you have full consent to your family and a husband to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please send a short message to your future employer?
Hi, Mom and Sir. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract. I'm trustworthy, responsible, hardworking, and a honest person. Thank you, and God bless you, Mom and Sir.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.